Hey everyone guys, I am so excited to share with you an amazing eye drawing tutorial video. In this video, I will tell you how to make iris of a human eye. That's too much amazing skill to draw a realistic sketch, so grab your medium and let's draw with me. Here we have some of the sketching tools to give sketch an amazing and realistic look. These pencils are HB, 3B, 4B, 6B, pencil eraser, blending stump and usual soft brush, or you can use the kneaded eraser to and an ordinary eraser. So guys, these are the tools I actually used to make a sketch realistic. Note their names and make sure these are available to you before sketching. Okay, let's start guys. I am using the HB pencil and blend its shades with brush. I used charcoal pencil for highlights and after that I blend its shades. Now highlighting the iris border. Now making visible the lights and reflection of eyes. Making pupil dark with 9B pencil. Making iris lines visible and dark. Blending its shades. You know what human has eyelids. And iris upper side is in its eyelid shadow, so I am going to make this area dark to show the shadow of eyelid on iris of the eye. Now I am giving detail on the delication of iris. Try to do it perfectly, but no issue, don't be very tense to make it perfect practice. Makes men perfect, so try it several times, you will succeed. Hope this videos will be helpful to my viewers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Keep creating. We'll see you in another video. Wishing you best of luck.